Looking for the perfect, truly wireless earphones? Here you have the boAt Airdopes 219. These are the Airdopes which can last up to 40 hours. 40 hours of playback time. That's mind blowing. The packaging is really premium, really cool. Let's quickly open the box and see what's inside. The packaging is really premium. This is the Airdopes. Let's see what else is in the box. There is a accessories section separately, and here you have a charging cable and these earplugs. I really like the color combination. I really like the finish. The finish is very premium. It feels like a premium product. I really love this light. It's so unique and so premium the way it lights up when you open it. The shape of the earpods is also very comfortable to easily take them out of the box.